Hey there traders, welcome to another market update video. Today is the 28th of April 2021 and we're going to start off here on Bitcoin's chart on the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, we are still waiting for Bitcoin to reach this top level. This is why I'm interested in taking a short position around 56,532. To the same token, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity if Bitcoin can make its way back down to $51,367. That's the area I'm interested in buying, potentially even holding a medium to long-term position if we can see some support coming from this area. But I still think we have some short-term upside potential here for most of these cryptos today. I think these are just short-term pullbacks that we're going to see, but overall we'll make our way back up here. And as I said before, this is where I'm going to be looking to take a potential short position for Bitcoin. All right, so moving on to Ethereum. Ethereum made its way all the way back up to this trend line as well as this red liquidity zone. So we're going to be looking to take some short positions here if Ethereum starts breaking below this liquidity zone. Then I'd be looking to take some long positions around $2,384.68. So that's the two levels I'm keeping in mind for Ethereum. If it starts breaking up from here and it breaks this trend line to the upside, I'd be looking for some long opportunities around here with the next pullback. For Bitcoin Cash, let's have a look. We're seeing this breakout right now. I think this is going to be met with another short-term bounce to the upside. But I do want to take some short positions on Bitcoin Cash when we make it back up into this red liquidity zone up here. If we break through that liquidity zone, I'd be looking to buy this one, looking for another extension to the upside there for sure. Let's look at Litecoin. We just took a market buy on Litecoin. It's already in profit here. We took a market buy right on that trend line this morning. Our first take profit is going to be 50% of our original position, and then we're going to close off for a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio on that. Trying to catch more of the higher probability trades. That's why you're getting less signals at the moment. But and we missed Bitcoin. I just want to talk about this as well. We did miss Bitcoin short opportunity here last night by $1.68. And we missed it here as well. For the first time we missed it here was also a couple of dollars. This one was actually really close, but then it became a high risk trade, so we just deleted that. I'm only going to be looking to take a short if we make it back up here. But for now, any kind of pullback here is still something I want to buy. But I just wanted to mention that we are giving those higher probability trades, so you have to be a little bit more patient for them to come out. But the probability of them playing out in our favor is very, very high. So that's the setups we're looking for now. Instead of just posting signals, you'll be receiving proper signals that have a higher potential in to play out in our favor. All right, with that being said, let's jump onto Chainlink here. So Chainlink did make its way back up into this red zone. Unfortunately, we missed this short opportunity this morning. This is by the time we woke up, this short opportunity was already in play. I wanted to short the moment we saw a 4-hour candle close below that liquidity zone, but obviously that was 2 o'clock this morning. So I'd be looking for a short-term bounce from this previous level of structure, and then we'll reassess from there. I'm not taking any positions on Chainlink at the moment unless we can break above this previous liquidity zone or below this previous liquidity zone. That's the only positions I'd be interested in for Chainlink. Let's talk about NEO and then BNB. So NEO, creating that typical step retracement here. So that was that beautiful pullback that we saw there. That was that short position. We didn't take this short. That was not a high probability trade setup. So we'll be looking for NEO. If it breaks above this liquidity zone, yes, then it is a high probability setup. We'll be looking to buy this liquidity zone on any kind of pullbacks. But if Neo breaks its way through this liquidity zone, I'd be taking some short positions all the way back down to meet this green liquid zone. And then BNB is going to be the last one. We wanted to take a short position up here last night. Unfortunately, the market started turning back down before we could make it. So for now, I'm just going to be neutral on this one. Going to be looking for another short opportunity around that same level if we can make it back up there. Still in play, so I'd leave this signal, but I'm going to update the price and the entry a little bit just to move down with the trend line. And then we'll reassess. If we make it back up there and we get that short filled, that would be great. See if we can make some profits to the downside. But if we start breaking down from here, I will be looking to buy inside of this liquid zone meeting this trend line, just like we just did with Litecoin. We're meeting that trend line. This is why we talked about yesterday that I'd be taking a buy. We wanted to take a short here, but I was too skeptical about that one. So we left it. And I said, if we come back and we do have a retest inside of this liquidity zone on that trend line, I'm going to be taking the trade. And that's exactly what we did. So same thing here for BNB. Excuse me, let me just pull that back. So if we have a look here for BNB, any kind of pullback into this liquidity zone meeting this trend line, that's going to be a similar kind of setup for me. And I'd be looking to buy this one pretty aggressively, just exactly the way we just did Litecoin. All right. So that's it from me, traders. That's all the coins I'm going to talk about. I am keeping an eye on the rest of them, but there are no setups just yet. As soon as we do see some setups on all these coins, we will share some of them, obviously not all of them. We don't want to overexpose your account or our account. So it's looking good. Just stick with us and be patient and wait for the trades to come. All right. Trade with proper risk management as well. That's very important. Okay. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.